Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Can you use Outlook on a Chromebook? The short answer is yes. You have a few great ways to access your email and calendar. The most common method is using the web version. Just open the Chrome browser and go to Outlook.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account to see your inbox. For a better experience, you should install the Progressive Web app. Look for the small computer icon in the address bar while on the site. Click Install to add Outlook to your Chromebook shelf. This makes it feel like a dedicated program on your computer. It opens in its own window without browser tabs. Another option is the Outlook Android app. You can download this from the Google Play Store. The app is useful if you need to check your mail while offline. Most users prefer the web version because it fits the screen better. You can easily manage multiple accounts and sync your calendar. Microsoft has optimized these tools to work perfectly on Chrome OS. You can also view your Word and Excel attachments directly in the browser. Using Outlook on a Chromebook is simple and fast. It does not require a powerful machine to run smoothly. You will get notifications just like you do on a Windows PC. Everything stays in sync across your phone and other devices. This setup is perfect for students and professionals who love the Chrome ecosystem. You do not have to give up your favorite email service when you switch to a Chromebook. It is a seamless transition for any Microsoft user today. It works great for everyone.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.